Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
I want to know if a China may I live in a. I want to know if a China may I live in a. What kind of chicken this? Juicy beef I sell with paper in it. A joke thing? Eh? What kind of chicken this? Sure. I kill them, I try to kill me for true, man. Watch out. I see video on TV, but I not like. First, I see this in my real life. First, I see this in real life. Watch out. Oh, you mean? I video everything. What is this? What do you people this? I'm a Chinese man.
Viewers and subscribers, you know, it's like social media keep on a pop up with complaints out there about, you know, things with the whole fast food restaurant thing going on, you know. We see persons out there, you know, with the whole rat thing in the restaurant. We see video out there where insect did sit in other restaurants and all these things. That's what I'm saying to you. Now, this video that I'm presenting to you, my viewers and subscribers, shows of someone showing something like paper within a food that she bought at a fast food restaurant, right? Because that's fast food. And me hear the person call a name and said juicy beef. You see me? Now, me not gonna jump to no conclusion, you know. I'm only going by what information has been said in this video and also what has been said about this video on social media. That's the information I'm going by, you see me? But with the information and without the information, right about now, I'm going to tell you, my viewers and subscribers, and everyone out there to be careful what to eat when you go out there and buy. You see me? I'm not saying that you should boycott anything, and I'm not saying that you should put everything to your lips. You see me? You have to be careful. You have to protect yourself. Health comes first. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so be careful. You know what I mean? Buy a meal, look at it, inspect it, make sure it's safe. Your health come first. You understand me? Yeah. And we can have a little leniency and know say that mistakes do happen. You see me? Like how you have manufacturer fault with certain things out there like appliances, you know. Maybe them were in the restaurant a cook and, you know, somehow piece of paper dropping at the food or whatsoever. But that is not an excuse for you as a customer to end up eating something, you know, putting something inside your body that is not supposed to be there in the first place. You get me? So that is not no excuse. So even though mistake do happen, me still say you want to be careful. Health comes first. Health comes first. Be careful and careful on not buy and eat out there. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, right here, so I'm gonna leave it. And before me leave, viewers and subscribers, I want to give a shout out to some of my viewers and subscribers out there, you know. Viewers and subscribers like Crazy Gamer JR, Young Boy J, you see me? And you know, Eclipse EV, you see me? That's Eclipse, you know, it ends with a Z, Eclipse EV, you see me? I want to give a shout out to Ivan Riley, you see it? And almost forget the person with the name Cosmo God. Yeah, big up Cosmo God. You see me? I say, and big up to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers out there, alright? Yeah, and let me know what you think about something like this, you know, we're seeing the video, viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.